Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you pair the left and right earbuds to two devices simultaneously? And no, you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with another device. But these earbuds support dual connection, so you can pair two devices, let's say two phones, to your earbuds. And also you can listen music with only one earphone. If you need it, you just put one of your earbuds to the charging case or remove only one from the charging case, then close the case and we can use only this one. And to prove it for you, we can go to the settings and Bluetooth, and right here, as you can see, we still have connection with this earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!